In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Zoom from automatically recording your meetings. If you're someone who often hosts Zoom sessions, you might find it inconvenient when every meeting gets recorded automatically. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to turn off this feature, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged in to your Zoom account on your web browser. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Zoom homepage. From the homepage, locate and click on My Account. This section is a central hub where you can manage your personal information and various settings for your Zoom profile. Don't hesitate to explore it later on for additional tips and tricks on using Zoom more effectively. Next, look for the Settings option within your account page. Settings is your go-to place for customizing your Zoom experience to suit your unique preferences, so it's worth your time to get familiar with its layout and options. Now within the settings, you need to find and click on the Recording tab. The recording settings allow you to manage how and when Zoom records your meetings, as well as a host of other useful features such as cloud recording settings and local recording options. Pay close attention as we navigate through these settings because each option can significantly alter how your recordings are handled. After you've accessed the recording settings, go ahead and click on General. The General tab contains a variety of options related to the typical settings for meetings and recordings. Here, you'll find options that affect the default experience for all your Zoom meetings. Staying organized and understanding each setting can help you maintain a seamless meeting experience for yourself and your attendees. With that done, you'll notice an option labeled Automatic Recording. As it implies, this feature is responsible for automatically recording your meetings, saving the hassle of manually starting the recording each time. If this feature's been toggled on and you found it unnecessary, you can simply toggle it off. By switching it off, you'll be in control of when recordings occur rather than relying on Zoom to decide for you. And there you have it. You've learned how to disable the automatic recording feature on Zoom. This quick fix allows you to enjoy more freedom and privacy in your meetings without worrying about unnecessary recordings. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or tips to share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Enjoy your Zoom meetings and see you next time.